Welcome to a new episode about heavy machines. This video will have epic falls, the biggest machines, power, and strength. If you like the aesthetics of heavy machinery, watch the video to the end. The Caterpillar D11 is a large bulldozer designed for heavy-duty earth-moving applications. It is equipped with a powerful engine, a large blade, and a robust undercarriage that allows it to push large amounts of dirt, rocks, and other materials with ease. The D11 is widely used in mining, construction, and other industries that require heavy equipment for excavation and site preparation. Powerful and strong, heavy equipment can easily move massive amounts of materials. With robust engines and hydraulics, they are vital in many industries. The Komatsu 4100XBC is a large electric mining shovel used for excavating minerals and other materials. With a massive bucket and powerful electric motors, it can move huge amounts of earth and rock in a single scoop. The 4100XBC is known for its high reliability and efficiency, making it a popular choice among mining companies around the world. Circle Loaders demonstrates the power of its log loader in action, demonstrating its ability to lift and transport logs efficiently, and in this case, hay bales. Be sure to watch the video all the way to the end. I will show even bigger machines ahead. The Caterpillar 797F is a large off-highway, ultra-class dump truck used in mining and heavy construction. It has a massive payload capacity and is equipped with advanced features, such as an AC drive system, to maximize efficiency and productivity. This excavator driver is like a real captain of his ship. He doesn't leave the ship even when it is sinking. The Cat D10R is a large bulldozer used for heavy-duty earth-moving applications, such as mining and construction. This bulldozer is equipped with a single shank ripper, and its blade can be adjusted electronically for improved accuracy and control. Look at the steep slope this logging machine drives down. This operator's craftsmanship is top-notch. While heavy machines are primarily designed for function and utility, many people find them aesthetically appealing as well. The massive size, intricate engineering, and impressive power of these machines can be admired and even beautiful in their own way. The Terex RH400 is a monstrous hydraulic mining excavator, often called the Kraken, due to its colossal size and impressive power. It is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world. The Terex is a true engineering marvel that showcases the extraordinary capabilities of modern heavy machinery. Look at how this crane paces. Write in the comments what is the name of this crane. I couldn't find any information about it. Watch the video to the end. I'm going to show you one of the biggest heavy equipment crashes ever. I promise it will be epic. This BLS is a giant among heavy machinery, known for its massive size and impressive power. It is the largest dump truck in the world, measuring over 20 meters in length and weighing a staggering 450 metric tons when empty. The BLS is a true testament to the incredible feats of engineering that modern heavy machinery can achieve. Watch an excavator help two stuck bulldozers get out of the mud. Logging wood can be a very extreme job. It requires equipment for hard-to-reach places. See how easily these machines get through such terrain. This video shows an excavator and a small bulldozer working together to dig the soil for a foundation. The excavator uses its large bucket to scoop up earth and deposit it to the side, while the bulldozer follows closely behind, using its bucket to pick up the soil and pile it up for the excavator to use again. The efficient teamwork of these two machines allows for quick and precise excavation, demonstrating the benefits of heavy machinery in construction projects. This is how railroad bridges are built with the girder erection machine. The video depicts a cargo ship attempting to maneuver through a port, but in the process, it hooks onto a large loading crane with its stern. The crane, unable to withstand the weight of the ship, collapses under the force, falling to the ground. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.